Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your American Express account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile section in the menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Account Services section, search for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or Security settings. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable 2FA. You may be asked to provide a phone number or email address where you will receive the authentication codes. Step 5. Confirm your settings. After entering your contact information, you will typically receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm the setup of two-factor authentication. Now your American Express account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Make sure to keep your contact information updated to avoid any issues in the future.